Well, hello, my fellow Facebookers and YouTubers. I got me a little air conditioner for this here garage, and I'm gonna have to build me a little thing at the bottom of the door for a vent, which I think I got plenty of plywood. Just screw them all together all the way across the garage door. But here's the air conditioner. I just saw a knife. Right there in front of me. Knife. And we're going to open this thing up, see what it looks like, and may put this thing to work. I had to order another seal for this one right here, for this one, because I think that seal, I already pinched it one time, and the inner seal's pinched, so I am getting another seal for this. Okay, I keep on forgetting that camera is over there on this corner right here, and I'm waiting for that seal. So that's what we're waiting on that. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. They got it taped, big time taped. So what we gonna do here? Are we gonna cut this on two sides? We're gonna cut it right here. Cut it right here. And cut it across here. Or we could cut across there too. But I'm pulling this thing out the side of it. I don't feel like I'm messing with all that other stuff. And we just pull it right out the side. There's that stuff. That's what you're supposed to put in the window, okay? Alright, you see everything I'm doing. I hardly doubt it. Yeah, you should be able to see me. So I'm going to put that right down right there. And try to walk this thing out. I might have to cut it down the side. At least one of them. Or both of them. There we go. Alright, so here. There's the little tube that you gotta hook up to the window, but I don't have a window. We got a garage door, so gotta put that to the side. And then get this off the bottom part. Everything you think it is. Alright, let's see here. Is it taped to it? I don't think it is. Put your foot on it. There we go. It is on rollers. There's that. I gotta turn it over, see what we got underneath. Move that out. Out of the way, and that out of the way for a second. Let you see what I'm doing over here. You can see what I'm doing. The plug is there. I just want to put this on its side for a second. I'm standing on the cord. Okay. Okay, we got a bunch of tape on this thing, so let's de-tape it. De-taping. Those are the vents. These are the vents for it. Get all that tape off of it. Trash can over here. Up underneath here. I don't know what that is. That's the film on the telling you what it is. You got some tape over here. Try on both sides. I'm not a very good person on camera, and no, I aren't. No, I aren't. Okay, let me see. Get you down over here. Get you where you see what I'm doing. Gotta loosen that. Bring you down some. Let's do that. I'll take these off first. Yeah, never a good cameraman. But what the heck? Yeah, I've been working out in this garage all these years, sweating my butt off. I thought about air conditioning, but when I first moved in here, they didn't make these kind. And if they did, they'd be so daggone expensive that I can't afford it. So, get that sticking to each other. Alright, got that side. I know you can't see what I'm doing. So, get you down here further. I'm only taping all this stuff over here. I'm taping all that stuff right here. Well, this thing, I do believe you can use it as just a fan, which is ain't worth crap, or a dehumidifier would be all right. But I think the air conditioner part is going to be able to do all that because the hose will be going outside, and that's what I bought it for, air conditioning. The air conditioner won't, it won't dehumidify. It's just the condensation that gets on what is it, accumulator. That would be the humidity in the air. Okay, got its own little plug-in place right here. So if you don't want to set your the plug down, it just has a place on the back here. Here's the condensation hose thing. You run that outside too. You got a little filter thing here for the back. Okay, and your energy saver thing. We're not going to be running this thing too awful long. Just while we're in here, okay? And So let me power source. Power source is 120 volt, 60 hertz. That's what we're on. 1,000 watts. Rated power, 9 amp. Okay. Let's see here. Maximum allowable pressure, 6 MPa. I forgot what that's called, but I don't really worry about it. But it's a 120 volt. That's good. We plug it right in the wall. See here, the box right here. Right here should have everything in it. Remote control. Let's see here. There's the vent box. I don't see nothing down in there. Put that back down there. Controls must be down in this bag. Now, do we want to plug her in for a second? Let me see here. Where would I do that? You know, I'm not ready to plug this thing in yet. I just want to get it unboxed so you know I got an air conditioner. I might show you after I get all this stuff fixed up under this door. Because the only time I'm going to be using it if I'm in here, okay? And I got to make it, but I got to go work today, so we're not going to worry about it. So, you know I got an air conditioner for the garage now. Put our little handy dandy thing down. That piece is supposed to go in the window. As you see, there's no windows in the whole place, so we don't have to worry about it. I got to go work at 5. So you see what time it is now. So, I guess I'll be seeing y'all later once I get this thing out of my way. Okay, y'all have a good one, and see y'all later. Bye.